welcome to my new blog post, blog 30. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the concept of power set. So let us start. So what does power set mean? It means all possible subsets of a given set, and it also contain empty set. So let us uh, uh, understand the concept of power set utilizing the example. So I have a set A which contains three members, 1, 2, and 3. So when I will create a power set of a set A, it means I will create a set which will contain every possible combination within a set A, including empty set. So power set of A will be power set of A is equal to 1 as a standalone subset of set A, 2 standalone set as a subset of set A, subset 3 as a standalone subset of set A, and then there will come combinations like 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3, and also the set A in itself, 1 comma 2 comma 3, and as I mentioned earlier, empty set as well, which is denoted by the empty curly brackets at the end of a power set A. So by uh, all means, this is the basically the concept of a power set of A. So I hope so you have understood the concept of power set.